Hey guys, in this video I got this massive package right here. It's my Solver Uzi Plush. Well, I bought it for like 130 ringgit. I'm kinda surprised they dropped the price, which is around 32.50 US dollars. So I kinda like how they the review of, yeah. They call it plus Uzi Eldridge. It makes sense considering it's Solver Uzi after all. But yeah, let's unbox it and see what we get. The plastic bag seems pretty rough. Here's a tag. Let's see. Ooh, there she is. Look at that. Let's just fix the beanie for a second. Yeah, good enough. But anyway, so here she is. Wow, it doesn't look nearly as good as my old Uzi Plush, but yeah, not that bad. Kind of like how beanie is so droopy, but nah, it is what it is. Oh wow, the jacket looks not that great. Wait, her hair is actually sealed on this time. Well, no wonder it looks so flat. Kinda hate her beanie. It's so droopy, to be honest. Wow, here's a tag of it. Oh, it's a little book. Yeah, I mean, kinda like the tail, to be honest. Oh, look at that. It's one very big tail, and it's apparently leather too, so hopefully it holds out. And here's the wings. I'll say it looks pretty nice, to be honest. Yeah, the head kinda looks dull for some reason, but this triangle thing, I think that's a light, but it looks pretty dull. But yeah, I think this is it. Here's a little tag of it. Very nice. But yeah, I think I'm done showcasing it. Let's get my old Uzi Plush down and let's compare it. So here's my old one. It's the Jupiter Creates version. Yeah, she looks pretty damn good. So I mean, her jacket looks quite green for some reason. In real life anyway, it doesn't capture that well on camera, so yeah, this one looks pretty good, especially a beanie. It fits just perfect. So, but although I'm not sure how to fix this droopy beanie, hopefully I could fix it off camera. Also, I did kinda fix her jacket. Well, I mean, it looks better now. Wait, maybe not. Good enough. But kinda unfortunate I can't fix the jacket at the back because her wing is sealed on the actual body of her. So yeah, it it will probably look like that forever. So yeah, I guess that's that. Ooh, I just noticed. Look at the detail of it. That's pretty nice. And wow, look at that. It's actually pretty dang big. So yeah, I'll say this one looks way better. So compared to this one, but I just like the features of her. So yeah, I guess that's a comparison of it. Actually, on second thought, from what I heard Reddit, apparently she lights out. So let's quickly shine some light onto her eyes and tail, and let's see if it lights out. Alright, there we go. Move aside. Let's turn off my light. Wait. Oh yeah, she does light out. Well, a little bit. I mean, it's not that noticeable. Probably need some more light. Wait, give me a minute. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep, she definitely lights out. And her tail too. Look at that. Ooh, creepy. But yeah, she definitely lights out. So yeah, I guess that's it. So I think this is it. It's a pretty good plush. It's not like I don't think it can get to this quality anymore, but yeah, it is what it is. I quite like it. That's all I have to say about her. But yeah, I think this is it. Well, I'm in a new house now where my own room is. Finally got the replacement plush. Well, my mom already unboxed it for me, so yeah, never mind, I guess. Forget about that part. But anyway, let's see if she's actually defective. I hope not. And we did like 10 days for it to arrive. So yeah, let's unbox it. This looks like better one. Yeah, she looks like actually nice enough to attempt to. Well, a bit of defect, but still way better than last time. Why is it a bit wrinkly, but never mind, I guess. So here's the plush itself. Ooh, she has a tongue out. And here's the back of it. Still got the final project tag. And yeah, it's it's official. Look at that. Anyway, yeah, I guess this is it. We finally got a proper plush with a tail. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, her hands does actually light up. Let me just capture it in front of you. Oh yeah, look at that. She lights out. Yeah, her hands does actually light up. No wonder why it's so dull. That's a pretty nice bonus, I guess. But yeah, I guess this is it. Ooh, look at her. I mean, it actually doesn't feel that fragile. Yeah, it's pretty thick. And still has the drippy beanie. Great. Hopefully I can fix that with something. But yeah, I guess this is it. Ooh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.